Let's see how to set the SSIs on LSX. So on Ubuntu or on any other Windows or any other OS, just you have to open a serial connection. So I'm going to use GTK term on Ubuntu. Take the USB port and set the baud rate as 57600. Once you're there, if you press enter, you're going to see this. So you are in the root directory. Now if you want to set, let's first look at the environmental variables of SSID. So it's at Serenatech, and similarly if I check the passphrase, it's going to show my password. I'm not going to show you that. So another thing is that you can check the country code. So if you're operating on channels 1 to 11, it's okay to have country as US, but if you're operating on channels 12 or 13, you probably want to set your country as JP, that is Japan. Similar to get env SSID, we can set env SSID and then you can put Serena Tech over here, or I can just put my name and then I can put set env passphrase ABCD 1 2 3 4, and if we look at the security, sorry, get the NV security, and we can say that, see that it's WPA PSK. So these are some of the options to set the SSID and passphrase so that your router so that your EVK automatically connects to one of these. To set it into a network mode, you have to use Lucy Local 142 and 0, and when you do that, it's going to reboot and go into the network mode. Just wait for it. It should automatically reboot ideally. Yeah, so it's rebooted, so it goes into the network mode. To look at the type in netcfg, and when we do that, you'll see that WLAN 0 is up, which means this is your IP and you're connected to the network. And P2P 0 is basically used for standalone mode, but this needs to be up even on network mode once you're connected. So unless this is up and this is up on network mode, you're not really connected. So now to go into standalone mode, you need to put Lucy Local 1010. So when you put Lucy Local 1010, it's going to go into a standalone mode, which means it's going to create its own Wi-Fi network. It's going to behave as a router, and you have to connect to it through your device. I'm going to ignore that. So these are pretty much the properties that you need to know about. Thank you. Also in standalone mode, if you want device name, you need to go on that IP address so that you can find it from netcfg, and go to that IP address, and when you do that, you're going to enter the main page over here, and over here you can enter the SSID that you want. That is actually the device name which is appended on the SSID. So you can set whatever name you want here and click on apply, and automatically next time you reboot your EVK, it's going to come up with this name if you're on standalone mode.